Hey man, what's going on?
Mate, just across the road. How long have you been doing this for?
I know, I've been doing a couple of hours.
Yeah, I know. You've been doing a couple of hours. That's why I'm asking how long you've been for.
I don't know, probably another couple of hours. Why?
All morning, mate, you're giving me a headache. You need to finish it up.
Well, I've only been here 2 hours. I'm allowed to mow lawns, man. You know what I mean? As simple as that. But the neighbours here have seen this lawn bad, right? And no one's even bothered to come and help them. Yet I'm here. Perhaps if you guys had helped, you know, we wouldn't be in this issue.
Do you think I care about that? Hey, let me tell you again. Mate, I'm going to be a nice guy. 15 minutes. All right, 15 minutes. Call the police. All right. Mate, I can't have this all morning. So you're going to be here for another 2 hours. I'm
allowed to mow the lawns in the morning, right? Or any time during the day between reasonable hours.
Yeah, reasonable. Mate,
yeah,
well, you've been on for how long?
I'm here mowing the lawn. I'm here to help somebody out. You know, that's all I'm here to do.
All right, 15 minutes. All right. Call the police. All right. So you make up your own mind. All right.
Well,
okay.
Go call the police then. I don't really care. See ya. Bye, mate. Bye. Well, that's a first for everything. It took me 1.5 years to get someone to come and complain about the noise. Oh well, what's he gonna do, mate? It's not against the law. Tough, as they say. I'm here to do a job and that's it. So, people can be kind of weird, eh? Anyway, back to it.